This video will demonstrate the installation of a single Homestyle Marquis or Premier Woodbridge folding door. For double door installation, please visit our website for those separate videos. The following are tools and items that are required or may be useful for the installation of your door: a drill, a Phillips screwdriver bit, a drill bit for pilot holes, a Phillips screwdriver, a tape measure, a level, a pencil, safety glasses, masking tape that can be used for trimming the top track or the height of the door, a fine-tooth hacksaw, and fine sandpaper, which can be used to smooth edges after cutting. The Marquis and Woodbridge doors are ready to fit a 36-inch wide by 80-inch high opening. If your opening is less than 36 inches wide, you can use your door as is without removing any panels. For smaller door opening widths, you can also remove one or two of the panels if necessary. Instructions for removing panels are also on a separate video. To begin, measure the width and height of your door opening. If your opening height is less than 80 inches, it will be necessary to trim the difference from the bottom of the door. Instructions for trimming the height are on a separate video. Your top track should measure 1/8 inch shorter than your finished opening width. This allows for the pivoting of the track during installation. You may not need to trim the top track. Measure and mark the top track to the proper length for your opening. Using a fine-tooth hacksaw, cut your top track. You can use fine sandpaper to smooth any rough edges after cutting. Position the top track so it is straight and centered in the door jamb. Using your drill, make a pilot hole through the screw hole nearest the center of the track. After making the pilot hole, insert a track screw here to hold the track in place. Do not tighten fully. Install the handle. Take the male handle and remove the screw from the handle pin. Insert the male handle pin through the pre-drilled handle hole on the lead edge. Place the female handle onto the male handle pin. Reinsert the screw into the handle pin and tighten with a screwdriver until secure. Snap the cover onto the female handle. Apply lubricant to each top glide. It is not required, but you can also lubricate the top track. Decide if you need your door to open from the left or the right. When sliding the door onto the top track, make sure the panel with the door handles is facing towards the opening side. Pivot one end of the top track outward. Slide all of the top glides onto the top track. Stack the panels together near the center screw and pivot the top track back into place. Make sure the track is straight. Drill the remaining pilot holes in the top track. Secure the top track with the remaining track screws. Make sure all screws are as straight and tight as possible to ensure smooth operation of the door. Be sure to fully tighten the first screw you installed in the track. Use the closure channel to measure and align the channel clips. Align the channel on the non-opening side of the door jamb. Make sure the channel is centered and plumb. Mark the pre-drilled holes in the channel. Remove the closure channel and drill the pilot holes. Using the drill, install the channel clips loosely with the flathead screws. Align the channel clips vertically and fully tighten the screws. Press the door anchor panel onto each of the clips until it fully snaps into place. Align the closure channel on the opening side of the door jamb. Make sure the channel is centered and plumb. If necessary, cut the channel to the proper height for your opening. Mark the pre-drilled holes in the channel. Remove the channel and drill pilot holes where you marked the jamb. Make sure the closure channel is plumb and secure to the jamb using the flathead screws. Install the door latch. Place the door latch into the opening on the edge of the door. Pull the door until almost fully closed and mark the location on the closure channel where the top of the latch piece hits the channel. Remove the latch piece from the door and place the top edge of the piece in the closure channel at the location where you made the mark. Secure the latch with a flathead screw. Once the door is in the closed position and the door is latched, the key can be used to lock the door. Your door is now ready for use.